I have parties announced for the record for the state.
Travis Banks for the state of Texas.
Robert Maurer for the defendant, Your Honor.
And are you Ms. Chavez? Counsel, have you received all the discovery and did you review it with your client?
Yes.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Ms. Chavez, I'm showing you what's entitled True Bill of Indictment. Did you review that with your attorney?
Judge Boyd is warning her that a state jail sentence is no joke. State jail time is day for day, meaning no early release, no good time credits. If you get 2 years, you're serving every single one of them. That's why Boyd is shocked she won't even take a UA.
Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
I do.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
No, Your Honor, the state moves to proceed on the lesser included Class A misdemeanor assault bodily injury charge and to waive and abandon the aggravated assault charge.
All right. And are you all proceeding on this as a family violence case?
No, Your
No.
Honor.
Okay. All right. Any objections?
No, Your Honor.
Ms. Chavez, I'm going to show you what's entitled Court Admonishments and Defendant's Waivers and Affidavit of Admonitions. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that the state is proceeding on the lesser included offense of assault bodily injury?
Before we continue, do you remember Ms. Chavez from Part 1? This is the same defendant who literally gave the judge attitude mid-sentence. Let me know in the comments. Was she bold? Or just begging for jail time?
That is a Class A misdemeanor. The range of punishment is up to a $4,000 fine and up to 1 year in the Bexar County Jail. Did you understand? If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by entering this plea bargain agreement, you were giving up those rights?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes,
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
I do.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, ma'am, I do.
Only and voluntarily waived?
Yes, Your Honor, the state offers State's Exhibit 1 and its attachments.
No objections.
All right. Before the court accepts this into the record, have you had a chance to speak with the complainant?
Your Honor, the complainant himself has been unreachable. However, we did speak with other family members who were there that day and have told us that the complainant would be on.
This part is huge legally. The state is dropping the aggravated assault charge and only proceeding with a misdemeanor assault. That's an enormous break. Most defendants pray for a downgrade like this.
Right with this agreement, and the other family members were also on right with the agreement.
All right. You may be excused to continue to confer. Showing you what's entitled Waiver and Consent to Stipulation of Testimony and Stipulations. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence State's Exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right. After reviewing State's Exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Judge.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Judge, I just ask you to follow the agreement. My client's been in jail for 87 days and would like to get out and move on with her life.
All right. Well, I've read the police report. Of course, there are questions I have. Nobody in the police report mentions how this all started.
My client and her husband, who had a case that was dismissed, took their daughter over to exercise visitation, and I would call it like a WWE wrestling match ensued. And we are multiple family members.
No, I needed a mental diagram.
A flow chart would have helped.
Because I see some people with gold clubs. Are these golf clubs or this is just a gold club?
It was a mess. I think that's the basis for the resolution, Judge.
Okay. And there's no less than 10 people involved.
Yeah.
What have you learned from this?
I learned that no matter what's going on, I know I was fearing for my daughter's life and my husband's life. And
Okay,
Just
I'm
call the
so
police.
sorry. I don't understand anything you're saying. I understand the last part where you said just call the police. All right. The court will follow your agreement, sentence you to 87 days in the Bear County Jail, give you credit for any time served. There's a $500 fine. Time and money is to run.
Notice what's happening. By agreeing to a stipulation of testimony, she's letting the judge decide her fate based entirely on written statements. No witnesses, no cross-examination. It speeds things up, but it also means no one can defend her story in real time.
And concurrent. Anything else with regards to sentencing?
No, Your Honor.
Showing you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we can go off the record. You'll probably be released at 1 a.m. Not today. If your counsel, if you want to call the sheriff's office and say why
Would do no
she's
good to it.
yes. But this is what I've learned, not from personal experience, but from what I've seen. Whenever there's a custody exchange issue, only one person needs to go, and that's the person who's.
Here comes the golden question, and Judge Boyd asks it every time. What have you learned? This is Boyd's test to see if someone actually understands the chaos they created, or if they're about to repeat it next week.
Turn it is to have custody. When you start bringing extra people, there's a problem.
I didn't want to go that day, Your Honor. It was my birthday. I didn't want to go.
No. So next time you need to say, no, not doing it.
And
You
I will say
understand?
I will. I always do. Thank you, Your Honor. God bless you.
All right. Thank you so much. God bless you too.
Thank you, Judge.
Luis Ramirez Rodriguez.